Oh iya, ini oke.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, Bu Shifa, and thank you for joining this meeting today. And nice to meet you. I hope you are doing well today. And before we start, may I ask you, how are you today?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, and here I'm with my partner Ripana Damayanti. I'm Shifa Awalia, and this interview is part of my course assignment about the use of digital tools in English teaching. And through tools and through this session, I would like to learn from your experience and get a better understanding of how. And thank you for your meeting today and willingness to help us. Before we continue, the next question, I will ask you, may I check if my voice is clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, and the next continue, the first question. First, could you please introduce yourself and share a little about your experience in teaching English?
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My name,
wabarakatuh.
my name is Ashifa Ainurrahma, but you can call me Miss Shifa. Now I'm from Pekalongan, but I'm currently working as an English teacher at MIP Tujuh Semarang. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you, Wushifa. Thank you for your interaction. And the next question, what digital tools or application do you usually use in your English teaching?
Um, I usually in my class, I use Google Classroom. Maybe I use Quizzes, Kahoot, and then YouTube maybe, and WordWall, and various online
Hmm,
dictionaries such as Cambridge Dictionary, and also use Canva for creating interactive teaching materials.
okay, it's very interesting. And thank you for explanation. And the next question, do these digital tools help students improve their skills like listening, reading, writing, and speaking, and how?
I think absolutely yes. These tools help significantly. Yeah. For example, YouTube for listening application improving student listening skill through the authentic audio, and then the Google Classroom and online worksheet maybe support for writing practice, and then the reading platform provides students with short story and article to develop reading skills. And then for speaking activities, maybe use voice recording thus also help student practice pronunciation and fluency.
Okay, thank you for your clear answer. Okay, let's continue the next question. Which digital tools do you think are the most effective? How? So why digital tools the most effective?
For the most effective, yeah, the most effective maybe quizzes or word wall because makes learning fun and interactive in my class, and then keeping students motivated while also allowing me to track their progress.
Okay, I think Sam that and that is very helpful for us. And the next question, what are the benefits of using digital tools during lesson?
benefit for of digital, sorry, benefit of using digital tools, yeah.
Digital tools.
Okay, the benefit of digital tools to make a lesson more engaging, interactive, maybe, and accessible, and they help students learn at their own pace, and then provide instant feedback and allow teachers to present material in more creative ways, and then they also support for collaboration and communication inside and outside in the classroom.
Okay, thank you for sharing. And next, how do students usually respond when you use digital tools in the class?
Hmm, the student, the most student respond positively. They enjoy interactive quizzes, videos, and online activities because they are more interesting than traditional methods, I think. However, some students may still need guidance, especially if they are not familiar with application.
Uh, and next, I want to ask you about challenge. What challenge do you face when using technology in teaching?
Some challenge include unstable internet connection, the most
Oh,
the most challenge, and then limited device and differences differences in student digital literacy levels, I think, and then technical issues can also interrupt the flow of the lesson.
okay, okay. Okay, thank you for your answer. And the next question, how do you make sure students stay focused?
For the starting on any activity, and then the monitor the screens when possible and set specific times limits for tasks, and also I create the structure activity so students know exactly what to do and avoid distractions.
Okay. And the next, do you think digital tools are essential in today's English classroom?
Okay, yeah, digital tools are essential because they support modern teaching methods, and then help students access authentic English material and prepare them for a technology-driven world.
Okay, thank you for your perspective. We move to the last question. Do you have any suggestion for better integration technology into English classroom in the future?
I think in the school should provide better in internet access, and then update digital device regularly, and overtraining for teachers so they can use technology effectively. And then it is also technology important to choose tools that fit learning goals, and not use technology only for the sake of using it. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much for your suggestion and thank you for answering all the question and sharing your experience with us today. And your experience is very helpful for my assignment and my understanding of this topic. I truly appreciate your time and your participation. With that, come to the end of our interview. So, before we end this session, we would like to take a short documentation photo for our assignment. Okay, if you don't mind, could you turn on your camera for a moment, sir, miss? Oke, eh, satu, dua, tiga. Once again, satu, dua, tiga. Okay, thank you very much, Miss Siva. And all right, thank you very much for your time, for your to join this meeting today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.